Email support has long been a part of Yuku, and it plays a vital role in onboarding new users to our platform. Until now, the primary functionality of an email account was limited to usage within our metaverse, like through creating your own worlds or joining other people's, or for participating in metaverse events to claim Yuku credits or earn Yuku tokens and airdrops. But now, with the release of our latest update, you're able to buy and sell NFTs as well utilizing this account type. We'll have a video linked in the description on how to register using an email address, but since I already have that set up, I'll skip that for this video. Once we're logged in, we'll need to click this little profile icon in the top right of the page, and from here we can check our ICP balance. To trade NFTs on Yuku, you'll need to either have ICP or Yuku tokens deposited here. To deposit, you can just select the deposit button we're seeing next to our balance, and you can copy the principal ID that pops up. Once our wallet is properly funded, we'll be able to select Marketplace at the top, and here we can begin exploring the various NFT collections on Yuku. Now, for demonstration purposes, I'm going to select a random collection for an example, but the process of buying and selling is going to be fundamentally the same for every collection. Once we've selected our collection and found the NFT from that collection that we want to purchase, we just need to hit Buy Now. On this interface, we will be given a chance to go over the purchasing information, and we'll also be prompted to enter a code emailed to us that we can use to verify our identity and confirm the transaction. So to do that, we just need to hit Send Code, then switch over to our email and copy what was sent to us. Once we've confirmed the code, we can finalize our purchase by clicking the Confirm button at the bottom. This will take a few moments to confirm on the network, but when it does, the window should close, and then we can navigate to our Assets page on the top right to verify that we've received the NFT. And as we can see here, it's showing up fine. And remember to claim your Yuku credits on the bounty page here at the top if you end up trading any NFTs.